The reason I think that I'm successful is because I love what I do. I love helping people. I love being on stage. I love inspiring people. I love it when they get that, you know, you always can tell, especially in the smaller groups, when that light bulb comes on and they go, oh, I get it now. And I go, that's why I do this. I literally say that to myself. I literally go, that's why I do this. This is amazing. I have a great team. They love coming to work. I love seeing them when they're happy. And I love helping people. So I'd say, yeah, I'm successful. Having said that, I want to go to the next level as well. There is more that I want. I want to grow, and I want to see how much more can I do? How many more people can I impact in a positive way? Because our mission is to help as many people around the world achieve financial success through financial education. So, you know, still got a long way to go, and but I'm loving it because the growth. I think you're successful if you're growing, and I am definitely growing.